Hey guys, welcome back to Less Cooks More. Today we are making sliders and we're gonna do it two ways. So we're doing a barbecue cheeseburger slider and then we're doing a bacon and cheddar cheeseburger slider. But it's super easy to make. They're gonna be pull apart. You can serve them at parties, backyard barbecue, that sort of thing. So fun summer meal. So stay tuned. Okay guys, first thing we're gonna do is get a jalapeno from our backyard. We have a garden, but this was just in a pot. Fresh jalapeno. We're cutting it from the vine. Got him! So, chop our onion and garlic. And here's our jalapeño that we just got from outside. I washed it, and this is the real thing, organic. Grown in my very own backyard. Not a lot, just like a decent amount. And then we're going to do some garlic. Okay, garlic's cut. Now we're gonna cut this baby, and it's actually hot because it's been outside even though I rinsed it. So we're just gonna go ahead and make slices and be careful because the more seeds there are, the more hot or spicy it'll be. Some people in our family are not huge fans of spice. But this is a really beautiful jalapeno.
You're welcome.
My sister made it. So my sister and my mom are the ones that do the gardening in our family. That's why I thanked her. But yeah, we're just making a few more slices and I'm being careful and mindful of the amount of seeds. And now we are going to take our beef and start to cook it. So now we're gonna coat our pan with oil. You don't have to use oil. I just like it to give the meat a little bit of crisp and flavor. Then we're gonna go in and smash the meat. You want it to be ground beef since these are gonna be pull apart sliders. So our meat is cooking, it's thick. But now we are going to add in our seasonings, including pepper, paprika, some Lowry's. So we are going to mix, and there is a lot of grease as you can see, which isn't a bad thing, nothing wrong with that. We're just gonna drain it out later. Now we are gonna toss in some of our onions, the more finely chopped ones, just to add more flavor. We'll add in the garlic after this, but then we are just gonna mix them together, thoroughly let it cook a little bit more. And then I want to add in some more salt just so we have more seasoning. Like I always say, don't hold back on the seasonings. Also going to add some mustard. You can be generous. Okay, so now we are going to prep our buns. I'm just using some Hawaiian Rolls. Usually these are sweet, so if you don't like sweet, then don't get them. But I like how they rip apart. One thing to keep in mind is that these do get a little bit sticky, so it was humid, so they started sticking to the paper due to the moisture. We are going to cut through the center of the rolls. My knife isn't that sharp right now. So I'm gonna sharpen it. So I'm gonna use our little knife sharpener. It's super easy to use. You just pull back and pull down, so be careful and make sure you rinse your knife after you sharpen it because there can be some residue of the metal. So just be super careful, rinse it, and then we will cut. So now we've cut it open. As you can see, we are going to take the bottom of our rolls, put them here, and they should see they're like already ready to tear. We are going to take some butter. Then we're going to take our cheeses. We're doing two different cheeses because we're doing two different burgers. Pepper jack cheese here. We're going to do cheddar. We are going to take this and put it in the oven and just let our cheese melt a little bit. And our oven is preheating to 350 degrees, so we'll probably put it in there for like 2 to 3 minutes and then take it out. Adding in some more salt. As you can see, there's a lot of grease or oil. The meat is done. All right, so now we have our buns and cheese melted. We're gonna take some of our ground beef and put it on. I did not add Worcestershire sauce originally because I was unsure, but now I'm gonna do that.
So we're gonna take some of the meat and just put it on the buns, but we wanna make sure we're draining a lot of the liquid and grease. You still do wanna keep some in there because while you're baking, you don't want the meat to get too dry. So drain as much as you think, but then keep some as well.
Okay, so we have our burgers ready, well, part of it ready. So on the cheddar side, we are gonna put some bacon bits as well. We're gonna do cheese and then bacon. So this is our cheddar side. We're putting more cheddar cheese. And then we're gonna do the bacon bits on top of that. And we used pre-made bacon bits, but you can make your own bacon and then do it. Just however many bacon bits you want. On the other side, what we are doing is some more pepper jack cheese. At the middle part, you're gonna have kind of a combination of the different cheeses. So we can put more cheddar on top of it as well. Kind of make that mix even. So I guess the middle ones are like bonus sliders because you get the best of both worlds. On the barbecue side, we are gonna do some jalapeños, some additional onion on this side. And in the middle, you'll get some of that too because onion tastes good with everything. So our top bun, we have two halves. One half is barbecue, like I said. The other half is gonna be bacon and cheddar. So the barbecue side, we're gonna put barbecue sauce. On the other side, we are doing a special burger spread, and you can do ketchup or mustard. Ooh, this is exploding out the thing. Whatever you prefer. Just to spread, then we're gonna spread our other sauce. Turn this around so we don't put it on the wrong side. And this is our barbecue jalapeno, like more spicy side, and this is our bacon cheddar side. These are our toppings, and we're just gonna toss that on there. So now that's done. But I made a garlic butter. We ran out of parsley, which is fine, but I just melted some butter and put some garlic powder in here. You can also put real garlic in addition to garlic powder. And I'm spreading it on the top of the buns. And we are going to put them in the oven. I'm gonna say for no more than 5 minutes at 350 degrees. I'll do maybe like 3 and then check. And I'll be back. Okay, so we took them out of the oven. They smell delicious, very garlicky and buttery. They look pretty dang good too. So but I'm gonna pull one off. Okay, so I'm gonna pull one out. This is the barbecue. Ooh, it's a little hot. Okay, so this is the barbecue one. Ah, oh yeah. Wow, okay. It's very pull apart. So this is what we're working with. I'm gonna take one of the cheddar bacon. I don't want to touch everything, so I'm gonna. Okay, so it's super like cheesy and ooh, that goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna try both of them. Okay, so these are the pieces after I pulled them. I'm gonna try the barbecue jalapeno pepper jack onion one first. That's way better than I expected. It's good. I was about to take another bite. But I'll try this one. The bacon cheddar. That one's good too. They're both good. I'd have to say that I don't know, they're really good. I think the barbecue one, the barbecue jalapeno onion pepper jack, because I like things with a little bit of kick. I really like barbecue. They're both great, super easy to make. Let me know if you want to see me make something specific. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.